Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, leave some comments, and share these videos. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to do the strong nozzle maintenance on the Ri4000. Now before we do this guys, we do need to update the unit to 1.150. Now this process is done in case you are experiencing some missing nozzles, maybe a clog. Now guys, for best practice, don't forget to do your nozzle checks because that's going to tell you the condition of your print heads. Alright guys, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and remove our platen here. We're going to get a cleaning jig and we're going to set it on the base. We're going to get some Ricoh type 1 cleaning fluid. And we're going to put some cleaning fluid in those gaskets. This first process, guys, is going to be similar to doing your nozzle capping. Alright, so we got the clean on there. Alright guys, so now let's go over to the display. Okay guys, so our display, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to our maintenance option. Next, we're going to go to jig head maintenance, and we're going to select ink and nozzle capping. Okay, we're going to let the machine do its nozzle capping, and then once we get the prompt to turn it off, we're not going to turn it off. We are going to hit yes on the screen, and I'll show you that in a minute, but we're not actually going to turn off the machine. We're going to go into our maintenance menu. So right here, we're going to press yes. Okay guys, so you guys can see on my display here, it says to power off the unit. It says please power off. I'm going to select yes, but I'm not going to actually power off my unit. What I'm going to do is go into my maintenance menu by selecting the little gear icon towards the bottom right. And I'm going to enter this code. 1 tap above ink path, twice above options, once above information. Now I'm in my service menu. From here, I'm going to go to printer system. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to see Nozzle Strong Maintenance. I'm going to select that one. Okay, now depending on what head is clogged, you can select individual head, or you can do them all at once. Okay, guys? Unfortunately, with this one, you can't select 2 heads at a time or 3 at a time. It's either one individual head at a time or all of them. Okay? So once you got your head selected, right now I'm going to select the number 1 head. I'm going to hit start. You're going to see our status bar here start to move. Once it's done and completed, this status bar here will turn green. Alrighty guys, so our Nozzle Strong maintenance is completed. As you guys can see here, it says to turn the machine off. We're not actually going to turn that off. We're going to press yes. And then I'm going to run this one more time. So I'm going to select it again. And I'm going to hit start. Now I want to run this about maybe 2 or 3 times. Then after that, I am going to power my machine off and then power it back on. When you power it back on, what's going to happen is the table is going to come out. Now, at that point, you guys can remove the jig. You can put back your table and you can run a nozzle check to see if it's recovering. Now, if you see a little bit of recoverage, continue doing this process until you guys recover the print head. If after about, let's say about 3 days to a week of doing this at least 5 times, you don't see any progress, then at that point it might be time to consider replacing the print head. You can always keep going for more than a week to try to recover it, but after about a week, you know, if you don't see any kind of progress, then it might be time to consider replacing the print head. Once again guys, to avoid that, please don't forget to do your regular maintenance and your nozzle checks, because that's going to help you determine your head conditions. All right guys, well, thank you for joining me today guys. Hope you guys like this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, leave some comments, and go ahead and share these videos, and we'll see you guys next time.